I'm going to be showing you how to clear this upper part of the wall. This is a contemporary building design that is flat roof. So I'm going to clear this upper part of the wall. The first thing I did was I had to cover the whole of the roofing area with ceiling. You can cover it with floor, you can as well cover it with roof, either floor, roof, or ceiling. And once you have done that, you are going to use split to cut some of the part that I want to cut. So I'll use split to simply split this area. Okay, so I'm done splitting it. The next thing is to select all those walls that are inside the roof. So I'm going to hold on my control and select all of them. All the ones that are inside the roof, that's the one you are going to select. And once you have done that, make sure this particular tool is turned on. Select element by face. So you are going to hit attach top / base. If you don't turn on this tool, select element by face, you won't be able to select this face. So that is the importance of turning on this select element by face. Now I can now click on this ceiling. Now it will trim all these. Can you see now? It's clean now. So at this point, I can now start adding my roof on it. I hope you have learned something from today's video. If you want to gain access to my complete Revit tutorial masterclass, there I will be taking you from a complete beginner until you become an expert in the use of Revit for modeling. It is a downloadable video course, so tap on the link in the description of this video or on the link in my bio. It will take you to where you can enroll in that Revit tutorial masterclass course and upgrade your skill so that you can acquire more clients. See you in the next video. Bye.